Write a short note on protection to employees during investigation under the Companies Act 2013. The provisions relating to protection to employees during investigation are contained in Section 218 of the Companies Act 2013. This section provides temporary protection to employees of a company, body, corporate, or other person whose affairs are under investigation. The purpose of this provision is to ensure that employees do not suffer victimization, harassment, dismissal, or reduction in rank merely because an investigation is being conducted into the affairs of the company. Protection available under Section 218. According to Section 218 of the Companies Act 2013, where an investigation is being conducted under Section 210 of the Companies Act 2013, investigation into the affairs of a company by inspectors. Section 213 of the Companies Act 2013, investigation on application made to the tribunal, or Section 216 of the Companies Act 2013, investigation on ownership of a company. The company, body, corporate, or person concerned shall not dismiss an employee, remove an employee from service, or reduce an employee in rank without giving prior intimation to the tribunal. Role of the tribunal. After receiving the intimation, the tribunal examines the proposed action. If the tribunal considers that the action is unjustified, it may communicate its objection within 30 days. In such a case, the employer cannot proceed with the proposed action unless permitted under the law. Right of appeal, where the tribunal objects to the proposed dismissal, removal, or reduction in rank, the employer who is dissatisfied with such objection may file an appeal within 30 days from the receipt of the notice of objection. The decision of the competent tribunal on such appeal shall be final, conclusive, and binding upon the company, body, corporate, or person concerned. Objectives of Section 218. The main objectives of this provision are to protect employees from unfair treatment during investigations, to prevent victimization of employees who may assist investigators, to ensure fairness and transparency during corporate investigations, to safeguard the rights and interests of employees, to promote independent and unbiased investigation. Importance of the provision. Investigations often involve scrutiny of management decisions and company records. Employee may possess important information relating to the affairs of the company. Without legal protection, there is a risk that management may dismiss or penalize such employees to prevent disclosure of information. Section 218 therefore acts as a safeguard against such misuse of managerial powers. Conclusion. Thus, Section 218 of the Companies Act 2013 provides protection to employees during investigations conducted under Section 210, 213, and 216 by prohibiting their dismissal, removal, or reduction in rank without prior intimation to the tribunal. This provision ensures fairness, protects employees from victimization, and supports effective corporate investigations.